Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI cousin, ready to decorate for the week of May 29th through to June 4th. Wow. So it's like how many weeks left in this? Crazy. Just for perspective, seeing how thick that HOBONICHI cousin, this is the cousin avec, and you can see actually where this wax seal is in there, but look at how chunky. Love it. Oh, now I lost my page. Oh, there we go. All right, so this week I will be decorating with stickers from Caitlin Plans. I believe I got these at the Planners Gonna Plan conference back in September of last year. So I'm working my way through my stash, and I'm trying not to actually buy any stickers at the moment because I still have enough to probably decorate for really the next 2 months. So anyway, let's get started. Before I actually plan, this is Lucy, just relaxing by my desk. This is where I'm planning. Okay, so I'm gonna also use, along with those stickers, I'm gonna use probably these alcohol ink washi from According to Ali, because the pink will bring out the pink in that. I kind of wish I had an orange. I was gonna use the blue, but it felt like a lot of blue. So, oh, I don't know. Because I also need to use some of these for like the last 3 days of May, because I will be decorating June differently in my daily pages. So that is my thought process. Not that you really needed to know all that, but that is my thought process for decorating and using up stickers. When I decorate, I really try to match all of my spreads for the week. So I match my HOBONICHI weeks, my cousin weekly spread, as well as the daily pages, so that I know that it's all in the same corresponding week. Do I use blue on the other side maybe? Yeah, let's do that. I think the other alcohol ink washi that I have from According to Ali is her black one, which is also fantastic. I need something to cut that with. Just my postcard. There we go. Ooh, I like the combination of the two, which makes me think I'm going to try and maybe combine them down here. That's not straight. And there. And then do this one. Ooh. Oh, that's gonna be pretty together. Then, oh, I like that. Okay, then I'm going to, I was going to put this quote down here, but I don't know. Maybe I'll put this one instead. Make yourself a priority. I don't mind covering this at all. You guys know that. I don't mind covering that, so. And down. Okay, then I think I'm just gonna come to I'm gonna be okay with the fact that I'm probably not gonna have any of these stickers left for my daily pages. That's okay, I can use something else. So maybe like that. And again, I don't mind covering the dates because I know what day of the week it is. Maybe put pink here. And then a few of these orangey ones. Tweezers, where'd you go? There you are. So let's put a few of these around. There we go. I love being able to use like a single sticker sheet like this and be able to decorate 2 different spreads. There's something so satisfying about finishing a sticker sheet and knowing that I'm actually using what I've purchased. All right, I feel like I need to, let's see. Do I have matching? I'm looking through the swatches that I have. Those don't match. No. I just have a whole bunch of stickers here on the side and I'm debating whether or not they match. But I think what I'm gonna do, the colors that I'm gonna use are gonna be in my tailored pen co, which has Tatsuya Ume Murasaki, and then I'm gonna use my F3 pens, which currently has, double checking, Sailor Tintorius Agave, which may not match exactly. It's more of a smoky blue, but still very pretty, because I don't have like a blue. All right, anyway, let's zoom in and I'll do the sidebar. Okay, so in the sidebar, I keep track of my sleep score and workouts, and as you can tell from last week, that was a success. I'll fill that in later. Even the week before, wow, not great examples. That week was fantastic. I feel like I should stop showing you previous weeks, but whatever. So, keep track of my sleep score here. The intention was there. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. And to be honest, I don't actually know what else I would use the sidebar for. And I like that I have the intention of keeping track of my sleep here, but I also don't stress myself out if I don't write everything in here. If I do, great. If not, that's okay. And then work out. Oops, work out. And then Monday. So I've started a new program on Beachbody called, or whatever the company is called now, Beachbody, called Lift More, because I really liked Lift 4 and they came out with a new program, so I'm giving that a try, and so far I really like it. So then I'm going to move to the bottom of the page where I'm going to write in meals Monday through Sunday using the alternating pen colors, and this is where I'm going to keep track of my meals for the week. All right, so now I'm going to go into, what did I just put stuff on my desk chair. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and just write in the word work, but I don't have work on Monday, so that is great. And then work. It is a shorter week for me. It's basically a 3-day week for me because we're contact center for the US is closed on the Monday. And work and work. And the thing I forgot to do was go in, and I don't really care too much about having perfectly straight arrows. I do what I can. Oh, see, look, I've got ink on there already. From what? What am I, this is why we use this. To 7:30. And then I'll do the same with the F3 pens. Maybe I got some on my hand. There we go. And then, perfect. So now on Monday there is a to-do list, but it's not really time sensitive to anything, so I won't add that in just yet. Then Tuesday, let me grab all of my icons here. And Tuesday, where are my icons? Here we go. All right, so Tuesday is when my husband sets out the garbage. There we go. So he puts them out Tuesday night to be picked up Wednesday morning. I love my little icons. It looks like a face. Put out garbage. It looks like a face on that garbage can. Wednesday, I really feel like I'm missing something, but I know I'm not. Thursday, my daughter has her confirmation class again. And then, oh, come on. So her confirmation class is from 6:30 to 8. And then I'm gonna have my husband pick up the groceries right before that because it will be my mom who picks up Robin. So groceries, it's not gonna be the exact time, but that's okay. I basically follow the times in here as a guideline. And then I know I have a massage, but I don't know what day. Is it Friday? Is it Saturday? I need to double check. So massage is on the Friday. And I'm gonna pull out a massage icon because I really need to use the icons that I've got while I've got them, or else they just go to waste, really. So, ooh, look at all those bookmarks. There we go. It says chiropractor, but for me, it's my massage from 9 o'clock. And then after that is weighing in at Weight Watchers. I missed it this last week because, and I was supposed to go for coffee as well, and I didn't because I just felt awful on Friday. My head was hurting, I had stomach ache, it was not great. And then Friday afternoon is always bubble tea with the kids. And I'll leave that like that. So, cocoa with kids. And then I can fold laundry on the Saturday. I don't have any plans Saturday night. I haven't made a lot of plans recently on Saturday nights just because I'm tired. I am exhausted, and sometimes it's nice to not have any plans. I have, for example, this weekend, I have an extra long weekend because I had Thursday, Friday, and the Monday off. So I could have made plans to do something, but I didn't want to. That sounds very antisocial of me, but I really didn't want to. So that's okay. And so Saturday night will be fold laundry. And then I know that Henry has his swim assessment on the Saturday now. I had both kids in for a swim assessment, so I knew, or I will now know, what swimming lessons to sign them up in, because I haven't put them in swimming lessons since before COVID. So, and I was gonna write swim ASS, but I'm like, no, let's not do that. Let's not write swim ASS in here. Let's be a little classy. And then Sunday is cleaning. I love that cleaning sticker. Like, I'll show you guys here the close-up if you haven't seen it already. But how cute is that? So those are available in my shop. And cleaning for the weekend will be the usual bathrooms, the kitchen cabinets and appliances. My husband does the vacuuming and the windows. And then Henry goes around and gets all of the garbage bins. And then Robin does the door handles and light switches. And then Henry, after that, has Ninja. He loves Ninja so much, and for him it's such a great activity. He loved wall climbing, absolutely loved wall climbing, but there was so much time that he was just sitting around waiting for a wall to climb. Whereas at Ninja, they are active the whole hour, and he's made some really good friends with Ninja. So, oh, I forgot to write down church, which will be on the Saturday. So how many of you guys, when you plan, have like your stickers everywhere like I do now? Yeah, cool. So 4:30 mass. Perfect. All right, that's all I know that we have planned for this week. So I'm gonna quickly tidy up here. Okay, so one last thing, I'm going to put some more washi down here just for extra decoration. Although I feel like I'm gonna end up blocking out putting movies down there, but I can always put a sticker on top. It's not a big deal. Actually, I'm gonna overlap it with where I put down the word meals. And then I'm gonna also overlap it with some of that blue washi, because I think the two go really well together. Ugh. Perfect. So this washi is available on According to Allie's shop, along with the sticker album that you just saw me use, and you can use code Karina10 to get 10% off, and the link to her shop is in the description below. All right, so that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, oh, that's lifting up. Hold on. No, I'm gonna save that. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.